Here's how to fix shift lock if it's not working in Roblox so that you can move and rotate your character easily. First, you need to go ahead and turn on shift lock. Open Roblox and start playing a game. Once you're inside the game, you need to go ahead and tap on the ESC key on your keyboard. Now, this will open this kind of menu. From here, go to Settings, hover your mouse to Shift Lock switch, and make sure that it is turned on. You can also use the right key on PC. If you're on PC, press Shift plus L at the same time while you're in the game to turn Shift Lock on or off. Make sure that the caps lock is off and that no other keys are interfering with the Shift plus L. Some Roblox games don't allow shift lock, so try playing a different game to see if shift lock works there. And if it does, then the first game parody does not allow it. Now completely close the Roblox application and then open it again and start a game and try shift lock again. And also make sure that you have the newest and latest version of Roblox and make sure that your keyboard is working. Test the shift key in other programs to make sure that it works. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.